Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super fun, how to start your very own book club with your friends. Whether you're a bookworm or just looking for a cool way to connect, a book club is such a fun way to mix reading with great conversation, and snacks, of course. Let's get into it. Section 1, Why start a book club? First things first, why even start a book club? A book club isn't just about reading, it's about sharing ideas, building stronger friendships, and maybe even seeing the world a little differently through the eyes of others. Plus, it's a great excuse to get together regularly and talk about something meaningful, light bulb, and let's be real, how many times have you said, I need to read more, and then never picked up a book? A book club helps you stay on track. Section 2, Who to invite. Okay, step 1. Pick your crew. Start small. A group of 4 to 8 friends is perfect. Too many people and it gets chaotic, too few and the convo might fall flat. They don't all have to be book nerds, just people who are open-minded, reliable, and down to read and chat once a month. Speech balloon pro tip, it's actually more interesting when everyone has different opinions. It leads to better discussions. Section 3, Set a meeting schedule. Consistency is key. Decide how often you'll meet, usually once a month works best. It gives everyone time to read without stress. Pick a day, like the first Friday of every month, and stick to it. You can meet in person, do a video call, or even make a group chat part of it, candle, and if you can make it a vibe. Candles, cozy drinks, comfy clothes, go for it. Section 4, Choosing the books. Now for the fun part, what are you reading? You could stick to one genre, like fiction, self-help, thrillers, or rotate themes every month. Let each member take turns picking a book, or vote on a shortlist. That way, everyone gets a say. Memo bonus tip, at the end of each meeting, announce the next month's book, no last-minute decisions. Section 5, Making meetings fun. A book club should never feel like homework. Make your meetings casual, fun, and low pressure. You can, 1. Bring snacks related to the 2. Book dress up like a character. 3. Do a themed playlist. 4. Ask fun questions like, who would you cast in the movie version of this book? And always leave space for just catching up and laughing too. Section 6, Keep the convo going. Between meetings, stay in touch. Create a WhatsApp group or a Discord channel where people can share thoughts as they read, like quotes they loved, memes, or articles related to the book. Camera with flash. You can even post your club updates on Instagram or TikTok, maybe inspire others to start their own. Bonus ideas. 1. Host a book swap after a few months. 2. Do a special author spotlight meeting. 3. Have a reading challenge with small prizes. End the year with a top 3 books of the year party. And that's it. That's how to start a book club with your friends. Super fun, totally doable, and honestly one of the best ways to stay connected and inspired. If you're thinking of starting one, drop a comment below, tell me your book club name or your first pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow book lovers. Until next time, happy reading. Books Red Heart.